Hello everyone, I am installing this glueless wig that I just got from Tinashe Hair. This is a 5x5 lace closure and it is 16 inches and it's their deep curly unit. I'm going in and I'm just styling this. Y'all know that I have to do this with my curlier units because it shapes the hair to your face shape, and I basically make this so that it looks a lot more natural and it gives it just like just a more natural look, especially since this has a middle part. It's helpful in that way. But as you can see, I'm cutting the lace, so my install was pretty easy. Okay, it's been a really long time, but I'm back with another hair video, and I promise I'm going to space these out with actual vlogs because my apartment is kind of close to being done. I will be reviewing this 5x5 closure wig by Tinashe Hair. As you can see from the beginning of the video, I already went ahead and styled the hair, glueless, the lace. Let me kind of get into the specs for you guys so that I don't skip anything. Yeah, this is a glueless 5x5 16-inch curly wig, undetectable lace, short wig, deep curly glueless lace, and this is actually 180% density, so there's a lot of hair going on. The hair is extremely soft, which is really cool. It's also really fluffy, but I kind of prefer to wear it like this, little bangs in the front, which I kind of cut before. I kind of just like shaped it to my head shape. Price of this unit is $178.03, and they also take PayPal, Klarna, or also Afterpay. They also have their 13x4 lace option, which is $199.44, which is still really inexpensive. It's under $200, which is not bad at all. But I feel like you don't really need to have the 13x4 lace because I still put this behind my ear and the lace literally stops at my temples. For me, there's enough lace to go around where I don't have to really, worry too much about how I'm gonna wear this. Now I will say, if you're trying to do this as a side part, the furthest that you could go is maybe right over here, and then you don't have that much room left to put it to the side. It does come already in the middle part, and I did not pluck any of this, so it's just the way it is. I also didn't do baby hairs because it's glueless, but I didn't have to. Let's see if I missed anything. This is an average cap size, and also the delivery time is 3 to 5 business days. Sometimes it's 5 to 7, but look how cute this is. The only thing that I used to style it though was my hair mousse, and that was pretty much it. I didn't have to do anything else for styling this unit. What else did I want to say? This is kind of how the hair looks up close. And this is kind of how the hair looks on the side. Even if you put it behind your ears, your natural hair can kind of just blend in, like I guess in the sideburns. So it's not really noticeable unless your hair is dyed blonde or something, which usually isn't the case. But in this case, it blends in perfectly. Again, I didn't pluck anything. I didn't bleach any knots, which usually I bleach all the knots on my units. With this one, didn't have to do it. It already comes to where even if you use Got To Be Glued on the lace, it blends in perfectly with your scalp. I did, since it's a glueless unit, I went ahead and I put a little bit of foundation on this, and that's it. What else did I leave out? Yeah, I think that's it. This is how the back of the hair looks. And the side. And then this is how this side looks. So I also kind of like to finger comb my curly wigs. I don't use like an actual comb or anything. I literally just use my fingers. When you do get this unit though, I will say I kind of had to go in and just kind of cut just to shape my hair a little bit. It's pretty much one of those like shake and go wigs that you can kind of throw on, and it's really easy. So I think that's all that I have to say though for this unit. Thank you to Tinashe Hair for sending me this awesome wig. Again, it's a 5x5 lace closure, or they have the 13x4 option if you want to go ahead and get that instead, but I do recommend the 5x5 because it's way easier to install, especially if you are a beginner putting on wigs. I do recommend that instead because there's less, I guess, space to cover, and you can literally just put the rest of it behind your ears and you're good to go. If y'all want another tutorial on how I kind of just lay my wigs in general, I will do that on this channel, but I've done so many where I've already kind of done that. Again, they wanted me to just do a glueless wig or a glueless install for this video, which is what I went ahead and did. So that's all I have to say. Be sure to go ahead and click the link to this unit down below and check out Tinashe Hair, and I will talk to you guys later. Oh, I gotta go also film some intro shots. So, oh, also, this is how my apartment is looking now. It's super cute. This is my living room. Okay, bye guys.